Welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing my Boxycharm base box. This is for the month of February 2022. And this box costs $27.99 a month plus shipping and taxes based on where you live at. And this box generally has about 5 products in it. Full size is what you're guaranteed to get in this box. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I do a lot of unboxings as well as hauls and beauty products reviews. If you enjoy those things, this is the channel for you. So you can hit that like and subscribe button and you can stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now, let's get into this box. Yes! So guys, this is how it comes to you when it's shipped out. And on the inside, this is what it looks like. And every month we do have a card with a theme, and it says "Be My Glamentine" for the February box for the base box. And on the back of our lovely card, we have information about our products as well as their retail value and a little brief description about what the products that we have in our box, what they do and how to use them and so forth. So we're going to get right into this. So the first product I pull out is going to be, this is the Ace Beauté Glow Essential Highlight Palette. Now this was a choice item for me. I did select this, and I like Ace Beauté products. I've had maybe 2 other palettes, like the eyeshadow palettes, and I really enjoy those. And I thought this would be a nice addition to see how their highlighters perform. And guys, this palette here has a $40 value. And once I pop it out of here, I'm going to show it to you. And guys, it does come with a mirror, which I'm going to fold down so I am not blinding you with the ring lights. But guys, we have 6 different shades here for this palette. They all look like really nice shades, like a light pink. We have like a gold, a bronze, even more like an iridescent one. So I'm going to take a few swatches so I can show you guys what they look like. So guys, this is the swatches that I did from the palette. I mean, the colors are really nice. These are really nice colors. I can see using these and doing a lot with. They're very pigmented, by the way. So I think that this is a really cool palette for those of you who have received this. And if you haven't, it may be an item you may want to pick up with your next selection when we have Boxycharm add-ons open. So I thought this was really beautiful. I can't wait to use this as a part of my daily look. Our next here. So we're going to move right on to our next item, guys. The next item I'm pulling out of here is the Yensa Tone Up Primer. So I am familiar with Yensa. I've never used their makeup products before. I receive the face masks, like the clay masks and stuff like that to use. So this will be my first time using a makeup product for them. But apparently Yensa Tone Up Primer has a $35 value. And it says this primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow, infused with 8 superpowered skin-loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, wrinkles. It's lightweight satin sheer formulated to create an invisible skin perfecting finish. So I think this will be great. I can't wait to use this product and see how it works out for me. And again, guys, this has a $38 value. So guys, the next product I'm pulling out my box is the OVP Beauty London, and this is the loose setting powder, and I have the color Deep. And I'm going to pop this out of here to show you. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm quite interested to see how this product performs. This is a loose setting powder that has a value of $22, which I don't think is bad. $22 is pretty good. This is how it comes out of its packaging. Nice little pretty packaging here, and they do have the little sticker here so that here. So guys, this is what the product looks like. I hope you guys can see pretty decent. And I'm gonna actually put a little bit on my hand. Maybe that might even be a better idea. So guys, this is kind of what it looks like right out the packaging, not blended in or anything, but I just wanted to kind of show you what the product itself actually look like. So this is a translucent powder, and I'm just kind of patting it in just to show you. So this will be fun to try out on and see how this product works for me. And basically the verbiage that we have from Boxycharm is that this is the perfect setting powder for your foundation, or you could wear this alone. Whether you rely on setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse, this formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. And again, guys, this has a $22 value, which I don't think that's bad at all. $22 for loose setting powder is not bad at all to me. And it makes it very affordable. So this will be a fun brand to actually try out and see if it works. So I'll try to put it in my next regimen, and we'll see. That's basically it, right? So let's move on to our next product, guys. So the next product I'm pulling out is I have Luna Liner. This is a water resistant liquid liner. Doesn't say what color it is. It's probably black, you know, but I always like to have it say it's black. Does not say on here. I'm assuming it's black. They always give us black liners. Fact that it's water resistant is a definite plus. This is kind of what it looks like outside of the packaging that they provided. And guys, this product here, it's made by Seraphine Botanicals, and it's called the Luna Liner. I have had one of their eyeshadow palettes before, which wasn't too bad. And this is a water resistant liquid liner, a vegan fade proof water resistant liquid liner that features an intense black ink for the ultimate eye definition. It has a micro brush to glide on smooth, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, allowing you to create a precise definition where you want it. And this has a $18 value. And guys, because I have quite a few eyeliners open, I don't really want to open this one just because I can maintain the shelf life of it a lot longer if I don't open it, and it'll be available for me to use when I run out of the others. So this is one of our products here, and I'm going to go right on to the last item in our box. So the last item in our box, I actually was hoping I got this, and I know some people didn't like it, but this is the Alley-Oop Multitask 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. This has a $28 value. And I was hoping I got it because I do have some travel coming up for the year. And I thought this would be like an awesome product to take with me as I travel. So I'm just pulling it out, guys, to show you what it looks like. It got some packaging here. Let me take some part of it off. There we go. So you get one part of it. That's just your brush here. The brush is very soft. And then you have another part, which is your sponge. Now, this sponge is kind of dense. So if you're used to using like a bigger sponge for your whole face, may not necessarily be it, but like around your eyes, this probably will work good, or around your nose and your mouth lines, you could probably use it and just spritz it. But then the other feature that I liked is that now you have an eyeshadow brush on this side. And then on the other side, you have a more defined brush, like an angle brush here on this side. And I like that because I think if I'm going to travel, this will stop me from carrying like extra stuff. And I'm trying to like minimalize my travel with how many items I have in my bag. And I think this is perfect for somebody who's traveling, or if you're on the go and you don't have necessarily the space to take a whole bunch of stuff. This is also great to touch up your makeup throughout the day as well. So guys, this again has a $28 value, and the verbiage we have is this is an award-winning multitasking brush combined with 4 essential makeup applications that include a sponge, a brush, brow, and eyeshadow featured within one product. And it's very easy to take apart to get to each one, which I think is also good. I would have liked if it did have like its own little tube to keep it in, so it doesn't have to rub against anything else to keep it clean. That would be the only complaint that I have, but I think this is a awesome product. If you're going to be on the go or you're traveling, I think think this is a great product. I don't see why everybody was complaining, but again, your tools that you use are personal to you, and you can use them however you like. But I was actually happy that I got this brush, so that makes me very happy. I can take this traveling with me this year, so that'll be awesome. So guys, in review, so we have all my items. I have my beautiful Alley-oop multitasking 4-in-1 brush. I have my Seraphine Botanicals liquid liner. I have the OPV Beauty translucent powder in deep. I also have the Yensa toner primer, and I also have a Ace Beauté product, which is a highlighter palette, and this is my box for the month of February. I thought this was a pretty good box. I pretty much like everything that's in it. It's all makeup. I can't complain. So I can't wait to try out all these products in my box. I hope you guys got some really good ones in yours. If you're box twins with me, let me know. Let me know if you've tried out some of these products and which one is your favorite. And guys, for right now, that is my box for the month. This is all I have. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think about the box I received this month for February. But guys, until next time, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Help your girl channel grow a little bit. And you can stay up to date with me on all my unboxings. And I hope you guys are having a blessed day. And I will see you next time. Bye.